Lovely people, Coupon Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have got a Walmart Ibotta haul for you, and we're going to talk about 15 rebates. Yes, so let's jump into it. All right, now the first thing it was not a Ibotta rebate, but it's a good deal. I had to use my little coupons. All right, everybody knows about this. All right, we got that P&G coupon. So this was priced $4.44 in my Walmart, and the refill was priced $3.94 in my Walmart. I had the buy one get one free coupon out of the P&G. They took off the $3.94 for this product, making it be $4.44 for the two, or $2.22 each. I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, I paid $3 for my newspaper, and that basically gave me my money back. So yeah, I think that was a good deal. All right, so let's jump into it. The first rebate I decided to do was the Twix salted caramel. This was priced 98 cents in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay 98 cents. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 48 cents. This thing is a baby Twix. Look how big, look how small that thing is. It's like they have literally shrunk the size of the Twix. Just saying. This right here I got out of the clearance section, guys. This is the Cremo, and it's a cooling beard and scuff cream. Let me say that again, because I ain't got my readers on. It's a cooling beard and scruff, not scuff, scruff cream. I say a scuff cream. What you got scuffs on your face? What you got scuffs on your face? I was like, what is that? All right, so let's open it up. Okay. All right. Well, y'all know my husband has a beard, so this was priced $5 in my Walmart on clearance. Now I had to pay $5, didn't have a coupon, but there's $2 from Ibotta, making the final cost $3. Okay. I'm not aware if there's a coupon for this. Y'all let me know. I'm curious to see how it's going to do. It's iced citron and driftwood. The next rebate I decided to do was the Suave hand wash. Now, this was priced $1.97. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.97 in store. There is 25 cents coming back from my bottom, making the final cost $1.72. Now, this pink grapefruit was $1.97, but there was another scent that was beside it that was a few cents more. So I decided to get this one. So pay attention to that. And I literally scanned absolutely every item with the app because I wanted to be on top of my prices. And I was ready for them today, y'all. Was ready. Like, how much was that? How much was that? All right, next. I got the Kill Cliff Ignite energy drink. Now this was priced, oh, I'm sorry. Let me go back. There was a any brand soap that attached to this, gave me an additional 10 cents. So that's another rebate accomplished. Okay, let's go back to the Ignite Kill Cliff energy drink. Price $2.48, no coupon. Had to pay $2.48 in store, but there's $1.50 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost 98 cents. Now, there is a any brand beverage that attached to this. Okay, another rebate for you. We double dipping a day. We double dipping a day. Y'all like that, right? You buy one product, get 2 rebates. One product, get 2 rebates. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you knock these bonuses down. All right. The next thing I decided to get was the Dove hand wash. This is the deep cleaning hand wash. This one is sensitive skin. So this one was priced $3.47. I did not have a coupon, had to pay $3.47 in store. There's $1 coming back from my bottom, making the final cost $2.47. Now, perhaps if you get Dove coupons from time to time in your email, I never check my email, so heck, they could be sending me something and I have no clue. But if you get them, you use it, and you I don't know, work it out. Next rebate I decided to do was the any brand pizza. So I was looking for the cheapest pizza I could find, honey, and I found one for $1. Okay, this is the Great Value microwavable pepperoni pizza. Yeah, $1. No coupon. Paid $1 in store. Got a 10-cent rebate back from Ibotta, making the final cost 90 cents for some pizza. There you go, a little snack. You know. Next rebate I decided to do was the any brand shampoo. Got the cheapest shampoo I could find, honey, and it was the VO5. Yeah, honey, just a throwback. VO5, we used to use VO5 now. Now, it works. It still works. 98 cents. Didn't have a coupon. 10 cents coming back. 88 cents. If you are natural like me and you do the pre-pooing, where you put some type of product on your hair to take your hair apart, there you go. There you go. I'm all over the place with this video tonight. It's late. Let's see what time it is. 11:02. It's late, y'all. I'm recording late. I get silly after a certain hour. The next rebate was the soft soap, hand soap. Now, this is $2.78. I, again, did not go on the soft soap website. Now, you might want to try that, but no, I didn't. Okay, $2.78 is what I paid in store. $1 back from my bottle. Final cost $1.78. Ham sandwich. I did not feel like it, guys. Y'all know I be just winging it when I do Ibotta. Okay, I planned this deal in the car, honey. Planned it in the car. It's like, shoot, I'm looking for the cheapest rebates. Okay, cheapest rebates. That's all I want. Cheapest rebates. Next rebate I did was on my Suavitel. Okay, I didn't do my accent this time. $2.97. No coupon. Had to pay that in store. Got $1 back from my bottle. Final cost $1.97, honey. I am swimming in dryer sheets, okay? We're not going to have no static cling over here. The next rebate I decided to do was my Mountain Dew. Y'all already know I'm doing the Mountain Dew. I hope y'all doing y'all water challenge still. I'm still doing it. I'm not drinking these Mountain Dews now. They going in the cabinet. Well, the pantry. $1.98. No coupon. Had to pay $1.98, but I got back 25 cents from my bottom, making the final cost $1.73. Not too shabby. These are reasonably priced rebates. I feel usable items, and you're getting your bonus accomplished. That's the name of the game. The next rebate is my Old Faithfuls, honey. My Renews-Its. 97 cents each. You must buy the 3 for a total of $2.91. Now, you're going to get back $1 from my bottom, making the final cost $1.91. Then we had to come through with the Butterfinger. The Butterfinger, let's check this out. Y'all know the Butterfinger has been more. It's been 88 cents. Oh, no. Today, I found it on the shelf for 74 cents up by the register. So, you know, I took a picture because I was going to make sure that I got it for 74 cents. Why did you fall out my hand, Butterfinger? I got the Butterfingers. Okay, so I paid 74 cents. It did ring up for more. She had the price override. Amazing. Yeah, 74 cents. Got it for 60. Well, actually, excuse me. The Butterfinger was 25-cent rebate. Final cost 49 cents for the Butterfinger. Great deal. Now, the total of everything, guys, and I think I got some good stuff. Now, I did not include the sprays, the power washes in the Google documents. No need. I don't feel it's any need because I didn't want anybody to get confused because it's not an Ibotta rebate. All right, so I did not include that in the in total. but the total of all the rebate items was $29.49. I had absolutely not a one coupon. Anybody can do this deal if you got the rebates. Now, I had to pay $29.49 in store. I got back $9.25 from Ibotta in actual rebates. I did accomplish my weekend warrior, giving me back $5, and I got back 3 cents from Fetch. Woohoo! From Mountain Dew. Okay, gave me 39 points, which is what, 3 cents basically. So, not too shabby, not too shabby. That made my final cost be $15.21 for my 14 items. I'm cool with that. I'm real cool with that because this is the thing. Y'all know I'm only rolling Ibotta money anyway, okay? So I think it's a good deal. It allows me to be able to try products that I want to try, get on here and run my mouth to you guys, and add some more hand soaps as if I need some more honey. All right, guys. So that is it for this video. Make sure that you go in the description box of the video and get your Google document. There's a link to the Google document for all the deals that we discussed in today's video. Yeah, guys, got you ready. I got you ready. We're going to get you right, okay? I'm going to bust open this Twix because I'm about to be starving. I am so hungry. I did not cook. I went and got my husband food, and I'm about to make myself a ham sandwich. I'm like, shoot. I don't feel like cooking. It's Thursday. I don't feel like cooking. I see. Okay. I about to say, it just tastes like a normal Twix to me, but no. Yeah, it has that salty taste in it for the salted caramel, okay? Okay. Yeah, it's got a little salt to it. It's not bad. Yeah. It's okay. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you all so very much. I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know in the comments below the video if you got another deal that I didn't get. Share it with the coupon crew. Put it in the comments below. We want to hear about it. Of course, give Chrissy that thumbs up now. Give Chrissy that thumbs up. Can I have a thumbs up, please? I appreciate it so very much. We are almost at 10,000, guys. If Crystal hadn't took that sabbatical, the coupon crew would have probably already been at 10,000. But I'm going to stop doing that. Now, all my new lovely people, if you are a new lovely person, you're new subscribed to this group, let me know in the comments below the video because it's coming in my mind to do a new couponer series. I'm really thinking about doing a new couponer series to kind of get people in the loop of doing couponing and feeling comfortable with it, just the basics of couponing. I thought about doing that. Let me know if there's a need for it. I really don't want to do it if it's not really a need for the people that's within the crew, okay? Just saying. If it's a need, I'll do it. If it's not, I'm not going to do it. Because y'all didn't notice, I done had a packet, a new couponer packet. I made these things up when I first started my channel. Hold on just a minute. Crystal was a hard couponer when I first started this channel. The basics of couponing with Couponing Crystal. Yeah. Helping you to save 50% and more on everyday items, okay? Instructor, Crystal Franklin, okay? Yeah, Crystal was ready to start doing coupon classes. I mean, I just got pages and pages of of wealth of couponing information in here. But this is the thing. I'm only going to do it if it's a need. I mean, if there's not a need and everybody on here are already seasoned couponers, then there's no need to do that. But if there is a need, I'm willing to do it, guys. This has been a real unorthodox off little Ibotta haul, but you know what? It's okay. I'm talking to my friends, so y'all don't mind, do you? All right, guys, I'm gonna end it. That's it. Let me know in the comments below if you are a new couponer and you would be interested in new couponer information. I'm gonna do it for you, okay? But if not, then we don't have to do it. All right, let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Remember, clip to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.